Hi friends, welcome to Brihati Jeshpita. Today I'm going to show you how to draw with alphabet A. First draw alphabet A. Then join both the ends of alphabet A. Now make the wings at both the sides. Then make the circle, eyes, nose and a smiling face. Then make the crown. Then the magic stick. Then make the necklace. Now let's color it. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is an angel. Wow, what a magic alphabet A has made us to do. Now let's make a drawing with small alphabet A. Make a small alphabet A. Then make it a circle. Then make two curves from both the sides and attach them. Then make two legs at the front and two legs at the back. Then make the eye. Then two antennas, then a smiling face. What it is? Yes, it is an ant. Now let's color it. I think so you're enjoying. Now draw a broad capital A. Then draw two standing lines. Then join the two standing lines with a sleeping line. Now let's make one more line top of the A. Let's make a rectangle mouth. Then draw two eyes in the shape of square. Then draw plus. Then draw two curves at the both ends and double it. Now let's color it. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is a house. Don't miss to watch the video till the end because you will like it and love it. Now let's make one more drawing with alphabet A. Let's draw alphabet A. This alphabet A went to a party. In the party, it had two mirchi bhajis, two curries, one sweet and one chapati. After having his lunch, he met all his friends and he also did group dance with his friends. Then they took so many selfies and they also took group photos. After taking selfies, they gave a written gift. The Joker was very happy. Now let's color it. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is a Joker. Wow, what a magic capital A has made us to do, right? So let's do the coloring colorfully and beautifully. This alphabet A wanted to eat an ice cream. So after going to home, he took a plate because the ice cream will melt. And started licking it and enjoyed the ice cream. Now his stomach is heavy and he ate lot of food. So he went for a walk. Then he took one more U-turn. Then he took one more U-turn walk. And then his legs were paining. So he sat. His friends also came. Then they all had started chit-chatting. Wow, what a magic! We have made an aeroplane. I hope you all enjoyed the drawings. If you like it, do like, share, subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you can see it. Thank you for watching Brihati Jeshpita.